So hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video about Solana, and we're going to be talking about what has just happened and the recent price changes in Solana and what's going on with the price of Solana right now. We're going to be taking a look at a couple of charts, and we're going to be looking at a basic overview of what the price of Solana is doing recently. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, I'm on the chart of Solana, what we're going to be talking about today. So let's go back to coinmarket.com and just take a basic overview of what's going on with the market right now. So we are on coinmarket.com looking at the overall market. We are at a market cap of around $1.86 trillion, down about 0.63% from the past day, but we are still in good numbers. We are at a 1.86 trillion, which is a lot, and we are still moving up in almost everything. We are up crazy in Bitcoin. We are seeing huge potentials in the other cryptocurrencies as well, and we can see Solana has now moved to number 4 based on market cap. So it was on number 5 recently. BNB was on number 4, but Solana has recently beaten BNB in recent market cap. So BNB has $48.5 billion and Solana has around $49.1 million. So that's what basically we are seeing it right now. Solana has moved up one place in the overall market. Solana is currently trading at around $112.32, up around 0.35% in the past hour, up around 0.42% in the past 24 hours, and up around a crazy 15.8% in the past 7 days. So we are seeing huge numbers being displayed in Solana right now. If we just take a look at the left panel right here, we can already see we are up in market cap also $49.1 billion, and we are at a volume of around $2.65 billion, which is also up around 0.28% in the past 24 hours. So if we just look at today's graph, we are still up from our initial starting point 24 hours ago at around $111.97. But we did stay in the green for the first couple of hours. We were kind of moving sideways in the first couple hours, and then we did take a bit of a dip, but we are now back up to our regular price that we were trading at. Now let's get right into what we were going to talk about in this pattern that we are currently seeing in Solana right now. So we are on the 4-hour time frame, and I think we did make a video on this recently talking about how we are going to see a breakout in Solana soon, and that has officially just happened. So let's just fix the chart up a little bit to make it more neater, and we can see this is our current pattern that we are seeing. This is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which basically means if you know about trading, it is formed during a downtrend, and as you can see, it was during a downtrend. We saw the price moving downwards, and then we saw the price go down to this point and then return to a specific price point, which is called the neckline in this pattern, which was around here. So it doesn't matter, it has to be closed. It doesn't matter if it exactly hits that price or not, but as long as it is close enough, that's considered to be a pattern. And then we head back down once more to hit an even lower number, which is called the head of the pattern, and this is basically the main thing that displays the pattern to us. Then after we hit the head, we head back to the main neckline. So we head back to that initial price point once more, hitting that neckline once again, and then we create another shoulder, which is called the right shoulder here, and then we hit the neckline once again. So we hit this neckline around 4 times throughout the whole pattern, once in the beginning, once at the left shoulder, once after the head, and once at the right shoulder at the breakout. So we see this pattern being hit 4 times throughout the whole pattern, And as we know that we have confirmed our breakout throughout this pattern. So as you can see, we have broken above this neckline. We did see a retest. We did go below the neckline once again, but as we know, this is how the pattern is supposed to work. We are supposed to see a breakout and a retest just quickly after that, which we have seen already, and now we are headed back into the bullish direction, which is a very, very good sign. So we are about to see some crazy things upcoming for Solana. Let's just take a quick price prediction of what we can see from the top of the neckline to the head. We're gonna draw a line, and then if we just move the line over here, we can possibly see a prediction of what the price could be. So based on this technical price target, our price could hit around $131, $132 after we see our upcoming bull run that we are supposed to see, and we could hit prices around this range very, very soon, because we are headed in the bullish direction. Just now we have officially seen the breakout and everything is going in the positive direction. So we are very soon to see Solana go into higher levels, possibly around the $130 range, even higher than that, but that's what our prediction would be in Solana. So that was about it for this video. Guys. In this video we did talk about Solana having a breakout, confirmed breakout from a recent patterns of inverse head and shoulders that it was forming, and we have seen the breakout, or we have already set a technical price target of what we could see in the upcoming times of Solana, which would be around $130+ for us to see in Solana. So we are waiting on that. When we see that price target being hit, we are likely to see that in the upcoming days and weeks, so stay tuned for that. We'll also let you know the progress on this. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talk about any recent crypto news, anything recent, any price changes that we have seen in the recent times in the crypto community. I talk about that daily on live, so do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this video on this channel, also talking about any recent patterns as cryptocurrency is seeing. So I keep you updated on that in those long form videos, so do make sure to check those out also. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, do make sure to click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.